So what if I tell you, few months back, I was just another tech guy who is dreaming to build his own product. And today I'm building a SaaS that could revolutionize how 50 million plus content creators work. But here's the thing, most startup advice is garbage. It's either too theoretical or comes from the people who got lucky once. So I did something different. How about learning from the people whom you really admire? And I went straight to the source. Stanford University's legendary How to Start a Startup course taught by Y Combinator partners who have created billions in values. And for the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact 4 blueprints I am using to build Content Flow. From idea validation to product development, no fluff, no theory, just the real playbook. By the end of this video, you will have the same framework that guided companies like Airbnb, Dropbox, and Reddit. Let's build something incredible. Phase 1. The idea. Let me tell you how this whole thing started. Few months back, I was watching my friend. He's a fitness content creator and he was literally pulling out his hair. He had this amazing workout video, but posting it meant 4 hours of manual work. Resizing for Instagram stories, writing different captions for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and creating style hooks, optimizing hashtags for each platform. That's when it hit me. This isn't just my friend's problem. There are 50 million plus content creators worldwide and they are all doing the same tedious work. Sam Altman says in Lecture 1, the best startup ideas come from problems founders have themselves. But I realized something even better. I found problem that millions of people have, but few developers understand deeply enough to solve. Look for problems affecting large underserved market. The best ideas often come from observing real people struggle and validate the problem before falling in love with your solution. Phase 2. Product development. Once I validate the problem, I dove into the P2L calls in Lecture 5. Building something 10x better than the competition. I researched every competitors and found they are all just glorified scheduling tools. None of them truly understand content optimization. Here's where Content Flow is different. We are not just posting contents. We are using AI to analyze brand voice, platform optimization, performance prediction, format intelligence. I have spent over 200 plus hours building the technical architecture. And here's what the AI pipeline looks like. The backend uses Node.js microservice, MongoDB for flexible data and integrates with OpenAI's latest model. But here's the key. It's not just about the tech, it's about solving the real workflow. Upload once, optimize for 6 platforms, schedule strategically, track performance, all in under 5 minutes instead of 4 hours. Focus on 10x improvement, not 10% better. Technology should be invisible to users. Build workflows that solve complete problems, not partial ones. Why content creator needs this now? If you are a content creator watching this, here's why this matters to you. Instead of spending 40 hours a month on content adaptation, you spend 4 hours. That's 36 hours back in your life. Time you can use to create more content, engage with your audience, or actually live your life. But it's not just about time, it's about optimization. Our AI analyzes what works on each platform and tailors your content accordingly. Early tests shows 40% higher engagement rates. I know what you're thinking. Another AI promising everything. But here's the difference. I am building this in public, showing you every step, every decision, every mistake. You can literally watch this product being built from the idea to IPO. And if you are the creator, your feedback is shaping the features we build. What I learned from the best, Paul Graham's lecture on Before the Startup taught me that most people skip the fundamentals. They jump straight to the building without understanding their users. So I spent 3 weeks just talking to creators, 47 interviews with everyone from nano influencers to big influencers. That's how I discovered the real pain point. Sam Altman emphasized it's better to make something 100 people love than something 1 million people kind of like. So instead of building for everyone, I am laser focused on serious content creators who post regularly across multiple platforms. Here's what makes this different from every other I am building a startup video you have seen. I am not selling you a course. I'm not asking for investment. I'm literally documenting the entire process, the wins, the failures, the late nights debugging code, the breakthroughs. Over the next 12 months, you are going to watch me either build a successful SaaS company or fail spectacularly trying. Either way, you will learn everything I learn. Next video. I am diving deep into the phase 3, building the team. Should I hire developers first or focus on getting my first customer? I will show you the exact framework from the Stanford lectures and how I'm applying it. If you want to see what building a real startup looks like, no shortcuts, no overnight success stories, just the raw documented truth, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because in 5 years, when content flow is helping millions of creators worldwide, you will be able to say you were here from the day one. You watched it being built from the scratch. The next video drops on the next Monday. See you then.